This is a 2012 GMC Acadia, a great fit and finish. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, a 10-speaker audio system, XM satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: heated front seats, aluminum wheels, a power rear liftgate, leather seats, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, OnStar, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 22,000 miles on the odometer. This GMC has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.